Pages 5 and 6 were all about Rome's monetary system, which means money. It was about Rome's money. So another accomplishment that helped the empire's trade-based economy, which means them trading, was the development of metal coins. Metal coins was their money. So they didn't have paper money, they had metal coins. They were not the first civilization to have this, nor the last. We still have it today. That's our change money. But it was very important for them at the time. Their coins were made out of gold, silver, and other metals. They were worth different amounts, just like our quarter and our dime, our penny, our nickel, they're all worth different amounts. And like today, they were given a monetary value that was guaranteed by the government. So when they were trading, everybody knew the exact amount that the coins were worth, just like we all know a quarter is worth 25 cents. Having a common monetary system throughout the empire made trade much easier and more efficient because the value of all of the coins was agreed upon by everybody. So it was easy to determine what the price should be paid for goods. So they're not like questioning how much everything is going to be. They have agreed on the price for each price and value for everything. Page 6 talked about the cultural influence that these had. So coins usually had images of either the ruler, which was the emperor at that time, or the mint where the coins were made imprinted on them. So they always, because they had the picture of the ruler at the time, it was important because people didn't always know how to read. So they could look at the coin and say, oh, this is worth 25 cents because it has so and so on it. Okay, so they didn't have to know what the numbers or letters meant. So it made it easy for everybody to understand the value of the money. The images gave the appearance of an emperor being like the gods, and sometimes coins depicted Roman gods and goddesses on their coins as well. Okay, just like the Greeks valued their gods and goddesses, Rome also had their own gods and goddesses, and they would often be on the coins. So this week we've talked all about Rome's geography. We talked about how it has a lot of hills, a lot of mountains. It's on a peninsula surrounded by water. It's by the Mediterranean Sea, so they can do trading. On the bottom here, it just summarizes everything. It says Rome's location helped to protect it from outside forces while providing access to the sea that allowed for travel and conquest, which means gaining new lands. Because of the location of ancient Rome, a collection of small towns was able to grow into a major city and eventually become a powerful empire. So the hills and mountains protected them from outside forces. The Mediterranean Sea made it easy for them to trade. They built roads and bridges to help them access new lands, and they conquered a lot of land, becoming one of the major powerful empires of the time.